Hello coders, welcome back.
Today we are going to create a custom scroll progress indicator in React application. Here you can see a simple React application which I created earlier. I have put some dummy content to make it scrollable. And this is how it looks right now. Let's create a new component in Components folder and name it Progress Bar. Now we can import and use the component in any main components like main.js or app.js, or if you want this feature on any specific page, then you can simply import and use this component on that specific page only. In my case, I want his in the whole application, so I am going to import it in main.js and use it inside the wrapper. Now we are going to create two divs in this component, one for progress container and the other for progress fill. Progress container is going to have a width of 100% and act as the container for the dynamically changing progress bar. Progress fill. Initially the width of the progress fill is going to be 0, and while we scroll we'll programmatically change the width of the bar as we decrease or increase. This state is going to store the value of what % we have scrolled, and we are going to change this when we scroll by using an event listener. In this use effect, you can see I am adding a scroll event listener that calls a function handle scroll upon scroll. In return, you can see I am removing the event listener to avoid memory leaks, as use effect may run several times. In the function, You can see I am getting an total height of the window and calculating the current scrolled percentage according to the current scroll position. Also see that I am updating the scroll percentage, variable state, and now we have made the scroll progress bar dynamic. Building the basic version of the scroll progress bar component is very easy, but there is a lot you can do with it, like you can set it to any specific part of the page instead of just the top by changing the positions. You can add more colors and animations.
Thanks for watching this video. Stay healthy and keep coding.